Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures. Welcome back, and I'll take you through our gold charts here. I've got gold CQ14. Now I've got a 233 and a 377 tick loaded up here, and the reason why I've got these two charts loaded up is that gold is presenting some really good opportunities at the moment, and I just wanted to show you the difference between the two tick charts because one is they're both doing really well as far as performance, and it just shows you that just a slight change in the tick chart and you can actually get some really good varying results. So you can see here from the 16th a little bit negative. The start of June, obviously we had a couple of winning days and then a couple of losing days, a winner, a couple of losing days, but then since the 16th, this thing has just been tracking beautifully. So hasn't had a losing session as far as the days that it's traded. And you can see there it's produced some really good profit. Overall for June, it's been very, very good. If we go to the monthly stats here for June, this system has really kicked in. May obviously was very flat for this strategy, but June has been outstanding with $3,700. So it's really kicking on nicely. You can see the equity graph there. So again, this is a slightly faster tick chart, 233, trading on gold and running beautifully. Now, I've got our traditional SN380, which is the one that went off and then back on again. It's been tracking nicely as well. A little bit earlier, obviously, it turned off in June, but early June, but then came back on, and it's just been going from strength to strength. So again, another solid night tonight. It's up 550, and you can see there that basically it's just been very, very consistent. A couple of big winning trades there as well, just to add to it, and its performance over the run has been very good, except for that little bit of a drawdown there. So if we look at this drawdown here from the 1st of June to the 12th of June, that was really low volatility. And again, if we look at our system here on 233, again, same period, really extremely low volatility. So if we go to our daily chart, so it didn't really matter what we were trading during that period of very, very low volatility. Things just didn't go well as far as our trending strategies, which is not unusual. If we go back to SN380, it started on the 29th. So it started on about the 30th of May and finished. We bounced back around about bounced back on the 12th of June. So if we look at the daily chart, at least we know that with these strategies that we're trading, if we get a drop below that 15 on our ATR and below 2.8 on our volatility stochastic, that's where we need to be a little bit concerned and make sure that we're really watching our strategy, because that's going to be really a situation where we potentially could lose the profitability of our system. So particularly on our trending strategy. So that's really a good measure for us to keep a track of, and making sure that if we do fall below those levels, that we're monitoring it. So as it stands, though, the system has run beautifully throughout that 6-month period, but we've just got to watch for obviously drops off in volatility like that. So that wraps it up. That's just doing a quick review there on gold, tracking nicely. Another great day today for both strategies. So they're complementing each other beautifully because they're both doing very well. And as I said before, both systems, the 233 and the 377 on the trend trader, performing exceptionally well. They're probably the standout for the two. So we'll just have a quick look at the trend here on the 377, and we'll have a look at the performance on a monthly basis. So if we have a look at our monthly stats here, just slightly ahead on the 377, the 233 just slightly ahead on the just slightly ahead in profit on the 377. So we'll just have to see how this plays out. Now remember that we didn't have a great May for the 233, so the 233 really has picked up ground this month, and we'll continue to track that, and hopefully it can be very consistent as this 377 has been. So thanks for your time, guys. Have a great rest of the day, and we'll catch you on the next update. Cheers. Thanks for joining us today, traders. If you'd like to become part of our team in 2014, all you need to do is contact either myself or Luke at info@gmtfutures.com and we can get you started pretty much straight away. So if you've always wanted to become a professional trader and you want to start using a high performance automated system, then definitely send us an email, info@gmtfutures.com or shane@gmtfutures.com, or you can either give us a call at 61733600875 and we can get you started straight away. So any questions, feel free to send them through. Otherwise, have a fantastic day and I look forward to catching you on the next update. Cheers.